How can I set up an MCM client phone?
Hello and welcome to our video guide. Today, we're going to show you how to set up an MCM, Mobile Content Management, client phone. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you have a fully functional client phone in no time.
What is an MCM client phone?
An MCM client phone is a mobile device that is configured to receive content distributed via a mobile content management system. The MCM system allows organizations to securely manage and distribute content to mobile devices.
Downloading the MCM Client App.
The first step is to download the MCM Client App. The app could be named differently depending on your MCM provider. Search for the MCM app in your phone's App Store, download and install it.
Configuring the MCM Client App.
Once the app is installed, you will need to configure it to connect to your organization's MCM server. 1. Open the app and enter your organization's server address. This will be provided by your IT department. 2. Enter your username and password. Again, these will be provided by your IT department. 3. You may be asked to configure additional security settings such as a PIN or biometric authentication. Follow the prompts to configure these settings.
Syncing content.
Once the app is configured, you can sync content from your organization's MCM server. 1. Open the MCM Client App and navigate to the Sync option. This might be under a menu named Sync, Update, or something similar. 2. Tap on the Sync option and wait for the content to download. The length of time this takes will depend on the amount of content and your network speed. And that's it. You've now successfully set up an MCM client phone. Now, you can access and manage your organization's content securely from your mobile device. Remember, if you encounter any issues during setup, don't hesitate to contact your IT department. They're there to help you. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful.